Hello friends, let me show you these flea and tick collars that I received for reviewing purposes. These are aimed to prevent your pets for having fleas and ticks. They are indicated for up to 12 months of protection, okay? And they come in a pack of 2, okay? They are one size fits all because you can cut them, okay? As you can see, you can cut the extra collar that you are not going to need. So you get 2. They come individually packed to protect and to preserve the active ingredients, okay? You also get a flea comb. So you comb your pet with it and you get the small animals out of the hair, okay? So it's a nice kit, 2 colors if you have 2 pets, or, well, you can use both on your pet if you want to change them in the future. And I think this canning option is nice, it's practical, and also it's good that they come individually sealed. So the active ingredients are okay until you actually use them, right? So if you have a pet with a problem with ticks or fleas, this is a nice option to protect and to help your pet to be healthier. Thank you.